This video from shopstuff.co.uk, we're going to demonstrate how to program the receipt header message on your Casio SE-G1 Cash Register. This cash register can be programmed with 5 lines of receipt header message, with each line having up to 24 characters or 12 if you're using double size characters. First of all, take the PGM or manager key and turn around to the PGM position. Then to enter the character setting mode, press number 2, followed by subtotal. And then to choose line 1, press number 1, followed by CH. Everything we now type in will be programmed onto the first line of our receipt header message. For the purposes of this demonstration, we're going to use the word shop in double size characters to be our top line. To get double size characters, you press the DBL button here before each character entry. So for shop in double size characters we go DBL, S is on this button, number 1, but it's the 4th character, so we enter the button 4 times till S is displayed. Then to get H we press DBL and then the number 4 button twice, because H is the 2nd letter on that button. For the O we press double and then the number 6 key 3 times, and finally for the P it's double and then the number 1 button just once, because P is the first letter on that button. To save everything programmed for that line, you press the cash button, and then to move on to line 2 you type in 2 and then CH. On this line we're going to give ourselves the first line of address. Let's say number 1 Main Street. To get number 1, you press the number 1 button, several times, in fact 9 times, until number 1 is displayed in the corner. Then we need a space. We press 00 to save the 1 and then press 00 once more to enter the space. For Main Street we type in M A. For I we have to press the number 4 button 3 times because it's the 3rd character on that button, and number 6 twice for the N. To get a space we press the 00 button twice, once to save the N so it knows we want it, and then the 2nd one to enter the space, and we'll just pop in ST to abbreviate street. S is on the number 1 key, the 4th press, and T is on the number 2. Once you're happy with line 2, again you press the cash amount 10 button to save. Then for line 3 you press number 3 and then CH. We'll now give ourselves a 3rd line on the receipt. We'll say we're in Birmingham. So to type in Birmingham, it's the number 8 button twice to get B, the number 4 button 3 times to get I, and we repeat the procedure for each letter. You'll notice that if you keep pressing the button it'll keep changing to show you where you are, what letter is going to appear. So here we're on I, so then the next one's N. G is nice and easy, but because G and H are on the same button and we've just entered G and we want H, you have to press 00 to save the G and then pop this button in twice to get H. Then A, and finally M. Again, it's cash amount 10 to save what you've done for that line. And then our last line, although you can have up to 5, our last line will be number 4. So you press number 4 and then CH. Now everything we want to appear on this line will be typed in. We're going to give ourselves a phone number, and we're also going to use some punctuation. So we have T, and then all the punctuation, or most of the punctuation, is under the number 7 key. If you refer to page 53 of your manual, you'll get a full list of all the punctuation you can use, but for this demonstration, if we press the button 5 times, we get the semicolon appear. We then want a space, so we press the 00 twice, and now we can type in our phone number. 0 is just one press of the 0 key. To get number 1, as before, you have to press the number 1 button 9 times while it toggles through all the settings. Number 2, similar procedure. Number 3, similar procedure. You keep pressing the button until the number 3 appears. Again, if you want to be precise, you can refer to the manual where you'll get a full list of what numbers and letters are where and which button you need to press how many times. So far we've got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll pop in a space by pressing 00 twice. And to get 5, you press the number 5 button until 5 is displayed here. 6 is the same. Number 7, because it's the button that holds all the punctuation, is like the 0 and the number 7 appears first, so you don't need to press that button lots. You do, however, with number 8 and number 9. Finish with a 0, and then to save what we've done on that line, it's cash amount tend followed by subtotal. We can see here, before we turn back to the reg mode, that it's printed out confirmation of each line. So shop 1 Main Street, Birmingham, and then the phone number. We turn the key back around to the reg position and pop a sale through. We can see that if we're in receipt mode, the receipt is now printed out with our custom message at the top. For more information on the Casio SE-G1 Cash Register, please visit shopstuff.co.uk.